Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's English class? Yes. So, children, in today's class, I am going to teach you sounds of the letters A to Z. Then, I will teach you to write small letters M and N in the notebook. And then, in the phonics pupil book, we will learn and revise the sound of letter R. And then we will practice our rhyme, Three Blind Mice. So let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's revise sounds of the letters. You also speak with me. This is capital A. This is small a. A says A. Capital B, small b. B says B. Capital C, small c. C says K. Capital D, small d. D says D. Capital E, small e. E says Eh. This is capital F and this is small f. F says F. Capital G, small g. G says G. Capital H, small h. H says H. Capital I, small I. I says I. Capital J, small j. J says J. Capital K, small k. K says K. And this K is kicking K. Capital L, small l. L says L. Capital M, small m. M says Capital N, small n. N says N. Capital O, small o. O says O. Capital P, small p. P says P. Capital Q, small q. Q says Qu. Capital R, small r. R says R. Capital S, small s. S says S. Capital T, small t. T says T. Capital U, small u. U says A. Capital V, small v. V says V. Capital W, small w. W says V. Capital X, small x. X says X. Capital Y, small y. Y says Y. Capital Z and small z. Z says Z. Children, in this way you have to revise sounds of the letters. Children, today again I am going to teach you to write small letters M and N. So look at the board carefully. This is today's date. Today is 26th November. Now see how you will write. Put your pencil on the blue line, the first blue line, and make a standing line till the second blue line. Then again come up and make a curve. यहाँ से आपको उसको घुमाना है. Again go down, touch the blue line, then go up. Again turn it and come like this. In this way you have to write small m. In the first three blocks you have to write small m like this. Make a standing line till the second blue line. Go up. Make a curve. Again go up. Make a curve. Come down and touch the blue line. In this way you have to write m. In the three blocks and then in the next two blocks you have to write n. M says N says Revise the sound also. In this way you have to write M and N. Now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now it's time to write small letters M and N in the notebook. First write today's date. Today is 26th November 2020. Like this. We will continue in the same page in which we did yesterday. Okay? Write classwork also. And now start writing M. From the first blue line, make a standing line. Again go up. In this way you have to write M. Make a standing line, go up, make a little curve and come down. Again go up, make a little curve and come down. मतलब आपको मोड़ना है, देखो ऐसे. In this way you have to write M. Like this, children. Children, in this way you have to write small m. See, like this. Okay? Now you have to write small n in the next two lines. Okay? Write like this, n. Make a standing line, go up, make a curve and come down and touch the second blue line like this. In this way you have to write small m. Okay children, finish these 5 lines of this page and take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time for the practice work. और आज practice work में आपको हिंदी में घ लिखना है. पहले आपको आज की डेट लिखनी है सेम पेज में जिसमें हमने 24 को हमने घ लिखा था. ठीक है बच्चों, बाकी की बची हुई 6 लाइंस में हमको घ लिखना है, उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. तो घ लिखने के लिए पहले आपको ब्लू लाइन से और नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन तक एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनानी है. फिर थोड़ा दूर पहले सी बनाना है और फिर एक लंबा सा सी बना के उससे मिला देना है इस स्टैंडिंग लाइन से. फिर छत लगानी है. इस तरह से आपको घ लिखना है. और घ से क्या क्या होता है? घ से घटा, घ से घड़ी, घ से घड़ा और घ से घड़ियाल. इस तरह से आपको घ लिखना है. देखो इस तरह से घ लिखना है बच्चों. इस तरह से हमको घ लिखना है. देखो आप, और ये जो घ है ये नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से टच नहीं होना चाहिए, उससे ऊपर ही होना चाहिए. ऐसे जैसे मैं लिख रही हूं इस तरह से आपको बाकी की बची हुई 6 लाइंस में घ लिखना है, उसकी पिक्चर लेनी है और मुझे भेजनी है. Children, now it's time to bring Phonics Pupil Book 1. Children, now open page number 11 of Phonics Pupil Book 1. And today we will revise sound of the letter R. See, capital R and small r. Now what action you have to do? Now see children, what is written over here? Pretend to be a puppy pulling a rag and shake your head from side to side saying rrr, rrr. R says rrr. Okay children? Children, you have to pretend to be a puppy. आपको सोचना है कि आप एक पपी हो. देखो पपी मतलब डॉग का बेबी पपी होता है. देखो इस पिक्चर में कैसे, और वो क्या कर रहा है? वो एक रग को, ये जो है ना, जैसे एक कोई भी एक चटाई है, कपड़ा है, उसको लेके वो क्या कर रहा है? ऐसे अपने मुंह के अंदर दबा के का साउंड निकाल रहा है. पपी क्या करते हैं? ऐसे ही कपड़े के साथ खेलते हैं, किसी भी चटाई के साथ, या जब उनको मस्ती आती है तो वो ऐसे ही करते हैं ना. तो आपको ऐसे ही करके आपको आर का जो साउंड है उसको निकालना है. ऐसे करना है. Alright children, I hope now you understand. Now let's write, trace and write the letter R. Children, first we will trace and write. Put your pencil on the dot and then rewrite on the dots, the small dots given. First make a line from this line to this line, okay? From top to bottom like this, and then go up and turn it a little bit like this. In this way you have to write small r and say the sound rrr, rrr, as. Okay children? So trace and write till here, and then from here you have to write on your own. आपको अपने आप लिखना है. Put your pencil on the dot, make a standing line, again go up and turn it a little bit, make a curve. ठीक है? In this way you have to write R. And you have to finish this whole line. Now in the second line we will revise the sounds which we did earlier along with the written part. This is P. Trace and write, and then write on your own. P. Like this. K. K. This is also K, kicking K. And here you have to write on your own. From here, write like this, the way I am doing. This is E. First trace and write, and then write on your own from here. This is H. In this way, you have to finish these two lines. Children, today again we will read. We will learn to read some new words. Rat. Rat matlab chooha. Rat. Rip. Rip matlab फाड़ना. Ran. Ran matlab भागना. Rest. Rest matlab आराम करना. Alright children. So now I will show you how you will write these two lines in the book. Children, now bring Phonics Pupil Book 1 and open its page number 11. And as I told you children, what do you have to do? First you have to do the action. Pretend to be a puppy pulling a rag and shake your head from side to side saying Rrr. Okay, ये तो आपने करना सीख लिया, मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, isn't it? So today we are going to write the sound of letter. We are going to write small r and its sound is Rrr. Okay, so put your pencil here. First we will trace and write. Put your pencil here and make a standing line and then come back like this and make a curve like this. From here you have to write on your own. Now see how you will write. Put your pencil here on the dot, make a standing line and then come back again and turn a little bit. Make a curve. Like this you have to write Rrr. You have to say the sound while writing Rrr. Like this. In this way you have to complete the first line. Now we will revise the sound of these letters. This is P. And here we will write on our own like this. P. This is N. Here we will write on our own. N. This is K. K. This is again K. The sound of K is also K. This is Eh. E says Eh. It says H. H. Okay children, now the activity part. 3 of these pictures have a R sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. This is rabbit. This is frog. This is rocket. So these all 3 have the sound of R. What is this? This is egg. Okay. So this is the wrong one. Okay. Cross it out. Let's read the words. R at a rat. R ip a rip. R and a ran. Rest a rest. In this way you have to do the reading also. Children, finish this part. Finish this page and take its picture and send it to me. Children, now let's practice the rhyme 3 blind mice. As you know, this rhyme is about 3 blind mice. Blind मतलब उनको दिखता नहीं है, जो mice हैं वो 3 हैं और वो अंधे हैं, उनको दिखता नहीं है और वो इतनी जोर जोर से भाग रहे हैं. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. और वो किसके पीछे भागे? वो फार्मर जो एक किसान है उसकी वाइफ के पीछे भागे. और क्यों भागे? जो उसकी वाइफ है, फार्मर की वाइफ ने क्या किया? तीनों चूहों की पूंछ को काट दिया. एक चाकू से, एक नाइफ से, बहुत तीखा तीखा चाकू था, उससे उनकी पूंछ को काट दिया. आपने कभी अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ देखा है क्या? 3 blind mice की तरह. So this is the meaning of this rhyme. So now let's recite it with action. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice. Children, learn and recite the rhyme the way I taught you with actions. Make your videos on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye bye.